Alright guys, just another quick video here. So we usually send customers to this video during the inquiry stage if they're inquiring about a VN, VP, VR, VS, usually in the sedan model. That's where we would usually see these problems with the headliner boards where they start to break down or have a massive bow here. As you can see what we're doing here, it's got a massive bow. Sometimes you can repair them by just adding a bit of water at the back there and just bending it and flexing it back into shape overnight. However, these headliner boards do also suffer more serious issues like this one here. It's starting to break and snap in half, and they can get quite brittle, and because they're only made out of like a cardboard, so they can age and get brittle really fast, where most headliner boards are kind of like a fiberglass type of cardboard where they have no issues, and this is the only model that we kind of see issues. So when we have our mobile exchange, or like you come to us and we have an exchange ready, we always keep good, clean, straight headliner boards in stock. So we hope to get one back. So when we take your old one out and put a new one in, your old one can go back on the shelf and get reused. However, if you're bringing in one that's brittle, see this one here, you can see it's got good flex to it. It's a strong board. They're the ones that we would usually have ready for an exchange. So we want to give you a good one and get one good back in return. And if we don't have a good one back and we can't put it back on the shelf and it has to go in the bin, we would then pass on the supply charge for that piece, because we would have to go to the wreckers and kind of restock our shelves with a new board because your one that you gave us went in the bin. So just keeping that in mind, that if, let us know if you've got if your headliner board has got any issues. If it's only bowing at the back section, we can sometimes repair it, and that should be all fine, because they do have that bow naturally now. Because what happens is the factory only put like 3 little Velcro tabs, and they do bow at the back section. But you can see here, this one's just brittle and it's falling apart. So this one here, we wouldn't even care to remove it out in one piece, because it's probably just going to snap in half as we take it out. It's that brittle, and so that's going straight in the bin. We can definitely not use that one. But when we do go to rebend these headliner boards back into shape, if they've got just a natural bow to them, the headliner board's not as brittle as this one, it's a nice straight board, we can just dampen the back of the board and bend it back into shape. So here you can see a couple of clean boards. We'll just take you through now. So you can see this one has its shape still, it's a nice flat board, and we can work with this one, we can restore it and have that to be a nice clean board to use. So that one's a good one, it's got good flex to it, see it's not breaking apart, it's not brittle. You can touch the corners and bend them a bit and it's not going to break the board at all. So we'll put that one aside and we'll just go through some examples here. So yep, that's a good one. So here we can see that this one's going to be a bad one, and let's have a look why. Oh yeah, the back section here, it's kind of like, it's almost like it's got water damage. You can see it's brittle, it's breaking in half, it's falling apart. So, you know, give it a few more years, 10 years, we might not be able to find clean boards anymore. What are we going to do then? I don't know. Do we have to remake ourselves one from scratch? I don't know, maybe just leave a comment below what your thoughts are here. But these are, you can just see it's just falling apart. These are the only model of headliner boards that we normally have these issues with, where the boards just get so old and brittle. Look at this one, just falling apart. I actually removed one last week and it came apart in pieces out of the car. Couldn't even take it out in one piece. And you can see here the back section is just all broken apart. We cannot use that one again, it has to go in the bin. So we only use clean, straight headliner boards. As you can see here, it's been recovered, waiting for the customer. So they'll bring their car in and we'll take their old headliner board out and we'll put this new one in. We reinforce the back section here with extra Velcro to give it extra grip. And here you can see the bad one up against the old one. And that's it guys, help support this video, give this video a thumbs up if you like the content, click that subscribe button to help our channel grow, and we'll see you here on the next video. See ya.